Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon. I am the CEO and founder of Lavish Curls Beauty, an all-natural hair care business. And this video is for any business owners or aspiring business owners out there that are looking to start their natural hair care business and are specifically looking to find out how to make a hair growth butter. Then keep on watching. This video is for you. So this is my Mango Moisture hair growth butter. It is also formerly known as the Mango Moisture Twisting Growth Butter. I have sold this product for over 5 years now, and I have sold thousands of these hair butters. And if you're somebody that wants to sell thousands of hair butters, then this is the formula for you. So how to make this hair growth butter. So I have an ebook breaking down everything on how to make a hair growth butter. Straight to the point, super simple. I even have videos on my YouTube channel showing how I made it, but for the specific formula, I do have a free formula of this mango butter included in my ebook. So this ebook is going to teach you step by step. It's going to have an ingredient breakdown so that when you're explaining this to your customers, you will know the ingredients and understand what each one does and how it benefits the hair. I will also have the vendor list included in there so you know where exactly to get the ingredients, the packaging for your stuff. So this ebook is filled with great information on how to get started with making a hair butter. Step by step, you're going to know what to do. You're going to know ingredients, you're going to know formulation, packaging, all of that. So make sure you guys go check out that ebook. It will be linked in the description box below. I also have other ebooks on my website as well, helping with how to make shampoo, how to make hair oil, how to make leave-in conditioner, how to make deep conditioner. All of those are included on my website. And also, if you want to try it out for yourself, make sure you pick up some hair butter. It's such a nice texture and consistency. It helps to lock in that moisture. It helps with hair growth. It helps with repairing the hair, helps with making the hair healthier. It also helps with defining your curls, adding softness, adding shine, helping repair split ends, helping to maintain your ends of your hair, helping to regrow edges. Just an amazing hair butter, and it has helped thousands of my customers with regrowing their hair and their healthy hair growth journey. So if you're a business owner that's looking to have the same type of results with your customers, click the link in the description box and make sure you get your ebook. It's sent directly to your email, so you get it instantly so you can get started today. So bye.